What are the signs of puberty? كم علامات البلوغ? What are the signs for the parent or even the child himself to know that he or she has reached age of puberty? علامات البلوغ أربعة. The signs of puberty are 4. 3 are shared by the girl and the boy. And the 4th and the final one that I'm going to mention is unique to the girl. The first one is بلوغ تمام 15 سنة. The first one is that the child, girl or boy, reaches the age of 15. So the child reaches 15. When the child reaches 15, it's puberty. When do we say that that's puberty? It is when all the other signs are not present. So the child hasn't had any other sign of puberty. He or she has reached the age of 15. That is now puberty. Whether the other signs have come or not, the fact that the child has reached 15 is puberty. Remember, if the other signs happen at the age of 10 or 11 or 12, that's puberty. You don't wait for the age of 15. Many people fall into that mistake. The girl's on her menstruation and they say, no, but she's not 15 yet. And she's got the sign of puberty already present. Menstruation is a sign of puberty, which we're going to mention inshallah. You don't have to wait for the age of 15, my beloved brothers and sisters. 15 is only used, or we only say 15 is that when puberty of the other signs are not there. Then and only then does 15 become a sign of puberty. So the second inshallah ta'ala is the puberty hair. Yani the girl or boy has hair between the 2 legs, the armpits, وما إلى ذلك. Those are signs of puberty. The third is إنزال المني باحتلام أو غيره. They have many semen that comes from the child, maybe a wet dream, or anything other than that. This is a sign of puberty. The final and last one is أن تحيض الفتاة, that the girl, she sees menstruation. She has her menstruation. Her monthly blood happens to her. This is a sign of puberty. These 4 are علامات البلوغ, the signs of puberty. Any one of them is enough for her to reach age of puberty. Any one of them is enough for her to reach the age of puberty.